Shower shelves. They are a nice and needed addition to any shower. Today we are going to be adding these gray corner shelves to this tiled shower. These corner shelves adhere to the shower using waterproof construction adhesive. The shelves come with some double back tape that's used to hold the shelves in place while the adhesive is curing. Now, the walls on a shower may not end up being perfectly perpendicular to each other, and these shelves come with enough double back tape pieces that you can put multiple pieces on top of each other to adjust for the differences in the walls. So to install these shelves, start out by adding one piece of double back tape at each corner, on the outside corners and the inside corners. Check that against the corner of the shower where you're going to be installing it, and add additional pieces wherever you have any gaps. Then add your bead of construction adhesive to the shelf and push it up against the corner of the shower. And then hold it in place and make sure that those double back tape pieces are securely attached to the wall before letting go of the shelf. After I got the shelves attached to the walls, I waited a couple of days for the construction adhesive to cure, and then I went back with color matched caulking and caulked the edges of the shelves. What's nice about these shelves is that they are securely attached to the wall, and yet they are not necessarily permanent. If you want to remove these shelves, you can do so without damaging the tile. I like that these shelves matched the color of the shower tile, and since I installed 4 of them, 2 in each corner, that's going to provide plenty of storage and shelf space for multiple people. And because these shelves have holes in them, you can also hang anything on them that has a rope attached to it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one and take it easy.